Yashish is here to really be the representative of the entire startup ecosystem, which has created a huge pocket in corporate India and added heft to our from the India Inc. perspective. Yashish, is that a sigh of relief, which not many people now talk about right now, but US trade deal being signed also really projects the better relations with US, and now it's really aligning, both these countries are really aligning. Isn't that a relief coming in for the startup ecosystem, which is so heavily dependent on also the funding from the venture capitalists and the market that really understands this space so well?
So I think, yes, number one, but more than a sigh of relief, it's an opportunity. And I mean that not just from a US-India trade pact, but the the India-EU trade pact and the India-UK trade pact.
Right.
See, we have to understand one very simple thing. Along with the Silicon Valley and maybe some parts of China, India has the most advanced consumer tech market in the world, along with them, right? I have zero doubt in saying we are the most advanced insurance player in the world. Zero doubt. Zero doubt. Now, why do just Google, Facebook, and Amazon have to be here? Why are we not dealing with consumers in Europe or the US and bringing the intellectual property here and the eventual monies here?
Yes.
Right? And I think that is something that requires maybe a little more focus. Let's understand, yes, they have smaller populations, but they still have richer populations, and those are the spending consumers in the world. Even today, those markets are 15, 20 times bigger than ours. And as we focus here, we should also keep that focus to develop our capability and talent set. And that is somehow, if you build that as a brand, that is usually more resilient than the services business, where all you're doing is you're servicing somebody who's servicing customers there. But if you're the person serving customers there, that is far more resilient. We are ready, as are so many others. I think if I really talk about it, Lenskart today has 40% of its revenues from abroad.
Yes.
We've been thinking of going abroad. We are already the market leader. And I think this should be encouraged. It's not just manufacturing.
Yes.
It's our talent, which is coming in from, I would call it consumer technology, which should be encouraged much more. It's not just for India. It can be for, it is now time for it to be for the world. And the reason I say sigh of relief, since you asked, see, as we do these trade deals, we all become friendly in trade with each other.
Yes. So
those regulators will also accept us much more. If the UK financial services wants to be here, then why doesn't our financial services want to be there?
So,
I'll try to stop there, yeah.
Yes, so that's a cue for the government to expand it from manufacturing to several other alignments also in the lucrative markets. But now